Hello everyone, viewers. I hope all of you will be fine and happy. So these are my Chinese rose radishes and French breakfast radishes. These bigger one are the Chinese rose radish, and these smaller one are the French breakfast radishes. So I will harvest. Here you can see they are so cute radishes, like one of the cutest radishes I have ever grown. You can see beautiful this cherry red color and this bottom white bottom. Last year I have grown these French breakfast radishes and I have let them grow like really big. I have let them grow to 6 to 7 inches in length, but then their taste was not very good. So someone told me that these French breakfast radishes should be harvested in very early stages. So here, this is the size of my French breakfast radish. I hope that someone of you can give me a good advice that whether I should start harvesting them right now or I should wait like 5 to 7 more days. Now these are the Chinese rose radish and I'm very excited for them because it's the first time I'm growing these radishes, and I have also planted them very densely because I have like spread the seeds in a row, and now almost all of the seeds I think have sprouted and we have like these beautiful radishes. So now these Chinese rose radish, as you can see friends, they are also planted very densely. So I will try to find a little bit bigger one radish that's bigger. So here we have a radish. I think I should harvest it. Here you can see friends, let me wash it. I've just given the water to these radishes. Before harvesting, if we give water to these radishes, soil gets very soft and it's easy to harvest these radishes. So here you can see, like really is super beautiful. French breakfast radish is also beautiful, but this radish, my friend, also it's my first time growing this radish. It's also like very beautiful, super. This like tip shape head, like we have the white daikon radishes that are very long, and this is almost similar in shape to those radishes, but that cherry red color, oh my friend, they're super duper beautiful. Really, I'm like very excited now getting such a beautiful radish. I will grow these radishes again, and here also I need advice. If anyone have you ever grown these radishes, should I start harvesting them in this stage or should I wait for them to get little bit thicker? I think I will start harvesting few of the radishes. As you can see, they are planted too densely, like here. By thinning them, I think remaining radishes will even grow bigger in size and will have better output. So I will wait for 1 or 2 days to see the comments on this video, and then I will start picking as we don't need all the radishes on the same day, and we need like them daily 2 or 3 French breakfast radishes and 2 or 3 China rose radishes. So I will start doing that. I will harvest some of the radishes on daily basis, and by this we can have harvest for almost a month, I think, because I have like lots of radishes here. You can see friends, I have also planted them in my other garden that's on my other side of my home, and there also I have like more than even these radishes, and I will like have good amount of harvest there. So friends, I hope you liked my French breakfast and China rose radish. Subscribe to my channel and please share it with your friends. Hopefully we will talk in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.